silent.
No, I am not.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Slovakia.
Very good. And now, he, and this song is he. It belongs to him. This is my ball. My. Yes, I, where is I? My. He, his. She, her. You, your. It, its. You, your. This is our classroom. This is their classroom. Okay, so can you make a sentence with this? I'll give you one more. For example, his